Jai Hind students of class 6. Good morning to all of you. How are you students? Students, today we shall discuss about the summation of integers or subtraction of the integers. हम इंटीजर्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन और एडिशन कैसे करें इसके बारे में हम सीखेंगे आज। एक्सरसाइज 4B क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। First, before question starting the question, you see some examples of addition and subtraction. Suppose that -3 plus -2 plus -5. हमने किसी से 3 रुपीज लिया, फिर 2 रुपीज लिया, फिर 5 रुपीज लिया. हाउ मेनी रुपीज वी हैव टेकन? तो 5 2 7 3 10 रुपीज, दैट इज -10. अगर सबके साइन माइनस है तो सबको ऐड करके साइन माइनस लगाते हैं. इसी को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं -3 प्लस इंटू माइनस -2 -5 इक्वल टू -10. सपोज दैट -60 -70 -30. We shall add all these numbers, that is 160, and put the minus sign. -8 -8 -8 -8. All the minus, we add all the numbers and put the minus sign. That is 32 and put the minus sign. Okay students? Suppose that one number is minus and one number is plus. -30 plus 20. If you are told which number is greater, 30 or 20, 30 और 20 में कौन बड़ा है? हमने माइनस प्लस कोई साइन नहीं लगाया है, तो 30 बड़ा है. 30 is the greater number. What is the sign before 30? That is minus. So minus is the sign of the result. And what is the difference? 30 minus 20, that is 10. -40 plus 70. Here 70 is greater and plus is the sign opposite to the before the 70. That is plus is the sign before result, plus the resultant sign. And what is the difference of 70 and 40? That is 30. Plus 30 can be written only 30. Okay, now we see the question in your exercise. Question number 1. 9 plus minus 6. 9 is greater than 6 and it is the plus sign, so 3 is the only answer of this question. Second, -3 plus 7. Here 7 is the greater number and sign is the plus, so plus is the sign of the result. Plus 4, that is only 4. Third, 8 plus -8. If both numbers are the same and one is plus and one is minus, then it will be cancelled. It is 0. And fourth, -1 plus -3 equal to -4. See the next question, question number 2. First, -3 plus -9. We add this number and put the minus sign. 9 3 12. Put the minus sign. Second, -7 plus -8 -15. Third, -9 plus 16. That is plus 7, or we can write only 7. Question number 3. First question, -365 minus 87. We add both the numbers and put the minus sign. That is 7 5 12, 2 carry 1, 8 1 9, 6 15, 5 carry 1, 3 1 4. Put the minus sign. Second question, minus 73 minus 687. 7 3 10 carry 1, 7 1 8 8 16, 6 carry 1, 6 1 7, and put the minus sign. Question number 4. First, minus 206 and plus 98. स्टूडेंट्स 206 और 98 में कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 206 बड़ा है, माइनस 206 नहीं, सिर्फ 206 नंबर 98 से बड़ा है। लेकिन साइन जो बड़ा नंबर है उसके सामने माइनस है, इसलिए यही रिजल्ट का साइन होगा। और इनका अंतर कितना होगा? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? तो 16 minus 8 8 and 9 minus 9 0 and 2. 1 minute please. 16 minus 8 8, 9 minus 9 0 and 1. Minus 108 is the result of this question. Third, minus 103 plus 312. Which number is greater? 312 is greater, so we put the plus sign. And what is the difference? 12 minus 3 9, and 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 1 2. Plus 209 or only 209. Fourth question, minus 493 plus 289. 493 is the greater number, so put the minus sign. 13 minus 9 4, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 2 2. Minus 204 is the result of the question. It is the answer of the question. Now students, in homework, exercise 4B, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 you will complete in homework. Thanks students, have a nice day.